Question number 4 asks us to write the equation of a line through the given point and perpendicular to a line that goes through the points 1, 2, and 4, 3. I've listed here the 3 main steps in solving this problem. The first one is to identify the slope by using the definition of slope, which is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's change in y over change in x. The second step will be to realize that the product of the slopes of perpendicular lines is -1. So we would need to use that fact to figure out the slope of the line that we're trying to determine. And then the third step will be to use point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1 to get our equation of our line. So let's start by finding the slope. And what we'll do to find the slope is we will do change in y over change in x. So we will do 3 minus 2 over 4 minus 1, and that ends up being 1/3. So the slope of the line perpendicular to our given line is 1/3. Then, since the slope of the line is 1/3, the slope of the line perpendicular to our given line, and I have m with a upside down capital T here to stand for perpendicular, the slope of the line perpendicular to the line that we have is going to be -3. In order for the product of the slopes to be -1, the numbers must be opposite signs. So here we have one positive and one negative number, and the numbers must be reciprocals, 1/3 and 3 over 1. So the slope of the line is -3, and so now we know that the slope of the line is -3. We'll substitute that in place of m, and we'll substitute the -5 for x1 and the 2 for y1. So the equation of our line ends up being y minus 2 equals -3 times the quantity x minus a -5, or x plus 5. So the equation of our line is y minus 2 equals -3 times the quantity x plus 5.